How to enable two-factor authentication in OANDA. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Scroll down to the section called Profile Settings and you will see an option named Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it and you will see the setup page for activating 2FA. Click on Begin Setup to start the process. The first step is to download and install the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and scan the QR code displayed on your OANDA screen. If you prefer, you can also enter the manual code provided. Next, enter the verification code shown inside the Google Authenticator app into OANDA to confirm the connection. After that, save the recovery code given to you in a safer place. Finally, your setup will be complete and 2FA will be enabled. From now on, whenever you log in, you will need both your password and the code from your Authenticator app. This adds an extra layer of protection to your OANDA account and keeps your trading more secure. Now you know how to enable two-factor authentication in OANDA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.